Ferrari of Denver is excited to present this beautiful, low-mile 2018 California T in Grigio Silverstone over a Sabbia leather interior. This vehicle has free maintenance through September 29th of 2024. This California T is equipped with the following options: dual color leather interior trim, ventilated full electric seats, Scuderia Ferrari Fender Shields, 20-inch forged painted rims, yellow calipers, black contrast stitching, black horses stitched in headrests, black seat piping, parking camera, Electrochromatic Mirrors and Homelink, yellow Rev Counter, Foldable Rear Seat Backrest, and Apple Carplay. This car has been fully inspected and reconditioned and meets all criteria to be eligible for a Ferrari New Power warranty if desired. Please contact sales at Ferrari of Denver for more information today.